Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Drishti and today I will be doing the topic wise analysis of mathematics section of NDA and NE, that is National Defence Academy and Naval Academy. So I hope you all know that math section consists of total 120 questions which comprise of a total of 300 marks, and this itself make this section very important for your NDA exam. So if you are preparing for NDA and want to excel in your mathematics section, this session will be very much helpful for you, because in this session I will be telling you about the syllabus, the previous year trends and the most important topics that you should focus on in the end of this session. So stay tuned till the end. So let's discuss the main components of the NDA math syllabus. So it consists of algebra, trigonometry, differential calculus, statistics and probability, matrices and determinants, integral calculus, analytical geometry of 2D and 3D and vector algebra. Now let's discuss the previous year trends of all the topics of NDA math syllabus. So we'll start with algebra, and from algebra maximum questions were 37 which came in NDA 2 2019 paper, and minimum questions were 25 which came in NDA 1 2015 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect around 25 to 37 questions from algebra, which will comprise of approximately 62 to 92 marks. So this is approximately 1/3 portion of your math section of NDA. So this topic is very important for your NDA math syllabus, and you should study this topic very thoroughly so that you can attempt most of the questions from this topic. Now coming upon to trigonometry. So from trigonometry maximum questions are 23 which came in NDA 1 2019 paper, and minimum questions were 8 only which came in NDA 1 2016 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect around 8 to 23 questions from trigonometry, which will comprise of around 20 to 57 marks out of your total marks. Coming upon to differential calculus. So from differential calculus maximum questions were 29 which came in NDA 1 2016 paper, and minimum questions were 9 which came in NDA 1 2019 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect around 9 to 29 questions from differential calculus, which will comprise of approximately 22 to 72 marks out of your total marks. Coming upon to statistics and probability. So from this topic maximum questions were 20 which came in NDA 1 2019 paper, and minimum questions were 15 which came thrice. Also from last 3 years you are getting approximately 19 questions from this topic every year. So this is also a very important topic for your upcoming NDA exam, and you can expect approximately 15 to 20 questions from this topic, which will comprise of around 37 to 50 marks out of your total marks. Coming upon to matrices and determinants. So from this topic maximum questions were 15 which came in NDA 2 2018 paper, and minimum questions were 3 only which came in NDA 1 2018 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect 3 to 15 questions from matrices and determinants, which will approximately consist of 7 to 37 marks out of your total marks. Also matrices and determinants is very easy topic, so you should surely cover this topic and attempt all the questions from this topic. Coming upon to integral calculus. So from this topic maximum questions were 18 which came in NDA 1 2015 paper, and minimum questions were 6 which came in NDA 1 2016 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect around 6 to 18 questions from this topic, which will comprise of around 20 to 45 marks out of your total marks. Coming upon to analytical geometry of 2D and 3D. So from this topic maximum questions were 20 which came in NDA 1 2016 paper, and minimum questions were 11 which came twice in NDA 2 2019 paper and NDA 2 2018 paper. So in your upcoming NDA exam you can expect around 11 to 20 questions from this topic, which will comprise of approximately 27 to 50 marks out of your total marks. Coming upon to the last topic of NDA math syllabus, that is vector algebra. And from this topic maximum questions were 8 which came in NDA 2 2018 paper, and minimum questions were 4 only which came in NDA 1 2016 paper. Also you can see that you are approximately getting 5 to 6 questions from this topic every year. So in your upcoming NDA exam, you can expect around 4 to 12 questions from this topic, which will comprise of approximately 10 to 30 marks out of your total marks. So now I hope you all are having an idea about the previous year trends of each and every topic of your NDA math syllabus. Now coming upon to the most important part of this session, that is the most important topics that you should focus on for your upcoming NDA exam. So based upon the previous year trends, I will be telling you some of the consistent and important topics that you should cover first, right? So let's start with algebra, and from algebra I have already told you that algebra covers around 1/3 portion of your NDA math section, right? So and it consists of many topics, but from that some topics are of utmost importance, and these topics are set theory, relations, functions, permutations and combinations, quadratic equations and inequations, sequence and series, binomial theorem and complex numbers. Coming upon to trigonometry, so from trigonometry you should focus more on ratios and identities and trigonometric equations. Let's talk about differential calculus. So from this topic most important subtopics are limits and continuity, differentiability and applications of differentiability. Now let's talk about statistics and probability. So from this topic I have already told you we are getting approximately 19 questions from last 3 to 4 years. This makes this topic very important, and you should study both statistics and probability completely so that you can attempt each and every question from this topic. Now coming upon to matrices and determinants. So I have already told you this is the easiest topic of your NDA math syllabus, and if you will study this topic with very little concentration also, then also you will be able to attempt most of the questions from this topic. So never skip this topic, right? Now coming upon to integral calculus. So from integral calculus you should focus more on definite integration and its applications and differential equations. Now let's talk about analytical geometry of 2D and 3D. So from 2D and 3D geometry is of utmost importance, and you should cover this topic completely and thoroughly. But from 2D geometry you can focus more on Cartesian coordinate system and straight lines. Now let's talk about vector algebra. So this is the tiniest or the smallest topic of your NDA math syllabus, but then also you are getting approximately 5 to 6 questions from this topic every year. So study this topic in such a way such that you can attempt all the questions from this topic, and that too correctly. So now I hope you all are having a clear-cut idea about the syllabus, the previous year trends and the most important topics of your NDA math syllabus. So now if you want to fulfill your dream of clearing NDA exam, you just need to have a strategy, proper guidance and the relevant content. That all you can get at one place just by downloading our app and enrolling to our courses. Up till then, be happy, be motivated and achieve your goals. Jai Hind.